Recon man, back with another seat repair video. Got us a 2025 Hyundai Sante Fe. That's it right there. Let's get it fixed up. First step, I'm going to give it a little light sand. With 400 grit sandpaper. I'm going to hit it with a little prep salt cleaner, and we'll repair it up. I used the liquid stitch method to repair this. Applied a tiny amount of repair compound in the slit. Hit with the activator. Now sand it again, and we'll put color on it. Okay, we got the color mixed up. If I can get a good angle, I think you can see boy, the sun is killing me. Trying to show you my color test dots. I can't make, there they are. So you can see them. We got 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one right there, you can't even see it. That's because the color is as close to perfect as I can get it. So let's spray it up. I'll be back with the finished product. I'm back with the finished product. Try to zoom in on it the best I can. It's hard to see. Wasn't that easy to see before I fixed it, but now it's really hard to find. So that'll probably wrap this one up. If there's anybody has any questions, if you want to tackle a repair on your own, drop it in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. If you need product, I can help you get that. If you need further advice, I can help with that. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Later.